Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to install Sql Server and Sql Server Management Studio. We need two installations. First, we download Sql Server. Then we click Sql Server downloads. Some people are confused. They download only Sql Server Management Studio, then they cannot access and they cannot create any database. So here we go to the Express, the free one. We say download now. And now wait for the internet. So now it's downloading. Once it's downloaded, we go to the file. Now this is SQL Server. We click it. Yes. Here we choose the basic. Then we choose the accept. This is the file is going to install Microsoft SQL Server. Say install. Then we are going to wait for some time. It depends on how your internet connection. Installation has completed successfully. And this is our server name. We're going to use it on Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. And this is another username. Well, this is like administrator. Both of them is fine. It's working for us. Now we are going to close this one. And then we'll write SQL Server Management Studio. We are going to download this one. So it's like a kind of confusing difference between SQL Server Management Studio and SQL Server. SQL Server is like a database engine. SQL Server Management Studio is graphical user interface. You can manipulate creating database, tables, diagrams. You can run queries pretty much like this. Now we are going to download it. This is download SQL Server Management Studio. Now we download SQL Server Management Studio. Now we are going to install SQL Server Management Studio. It's already downloaded. Here we don't change anything. We say install. Now installation is done. It requires a restart. We restart our computer. Now we restarted our computer and everything seems okay. Now we are going to run SQL Server Management Studio. We click starts. Here we choose SQL Server Management Studio. First time it might be slow, but after a few times it will be faster for running it. Now here, if you remember the server name, when we first installed SQL Server, there was a server name. That's our computer name, if you remember. So if you connect, it will connect with our SQL administrator. Now I say connect. Now it's already connected. If I want to create a database, I can create. I will right click on here, new database. I write the name of database, click OK. Now my database, everything seems working. So if I want to use another name, for example, let me disconnect here. Here, mostly I use like dot SQL Express, and this was also is going to connect it. Connect. Now you see it's connected. Thanks for watching. Please, if you liked, subscribe my channel.